Subscribe to new link YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to new link YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. New links, top vlogger. Big up new links cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
First me say you can act on and know if you pass 20.
Bless up my people, big up in the cell, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss there, and a new link from New Link Production. And I mean, say attack, fix up a glass, the attacking boss. So, my viewers and my subscribers, Zin, look a piece of clip they send to me, people. Zin, yeah, with that look of youth there, on the ground and our viewers and subscribers. Young youth in a Jamaica. Zin, very youth, where them I say good youth. You to go to school and them something that you too good, always clean, always. You get what me I say, people? Yeah, you to do your work and thing wasn't a bad youth. Them say now, a mother comes to boom, go overseas and thing. Because you don't know the thing of people. Get opportunity to go overseas, go work and earn a better living and something where you can take care of your family. So them say, youth, they are yard and thing, you know what I mean? Still I do him thing and, you know. But you have some friends, people, who you might consider friend, but deep inside, they are not friends. You know, that fake something there, yeah, them are that fake something there, people who maybe grudge him, who maybe envy him for something when they even know people, they even not thinking at the back of the brain cell and they kind of just focus on the front part of the brain cell. So my viewers and my subscribers now, what's behind this is really sad. It is said that one of the person who him consider friend comes to boom now my people and gave him something to smoke. Zin, yeah man, gave him something to smoke. And sadly my people, at the end result that, Zin, the end result, lick him chip people. Lick him chip, it gone. Friend ain't gonna take that puff the people, 3 puff out away a friend gate people. That's it. Zin, that's it people. And the mother overseas people, but they must say him need help because, you know, him need somebody if we can, you know, but me I say, if you know no family members or nobody who can just get him time with one rope or something, Zim and carry him go rehab or something, because him can't fix him, people. Him can't fix. Zim, maybe it'll take a couple dollars to fix him or something, but your loved one, you know him did good, you know him did great, you know, and a whole heap of youth, you know, people, young youth, what we see in the street, you know, and we see them just raggedy, we see them head go crazy like this. And don't think say it's nothing just what just happen to them like naturally, you know. These are people, you know, these are friends a lot of times, you know. Me know youth, you know, who go through the same situation, you know, and that's why I'm covering this now, people. See, I know youth. Me I tell you when me young, me know youth who comes a boom, and friend take it as joke, people, and give them that clip, something that with that, something with them call him lizard, whatever, tail people, and up to date. Me not go say the youth, at first point he was at a reverse stage where like him not know himself and run up and down. But now people, even up to date, and I'm telling about maybe 15 years now, 16 years, 17 years, people, man still fully no function back. Them do much, something much, him have to live for medication with doctor, but still he can't come back naturally to that person who he really was before. So what I'm saying now, my people, on a real level, yo, we have to really be careful. See, friends that we keep, who we think are real, you know what I mean? Because a lot of time people then come around you, them say them real, them eat with you, them drink with you, them par with you. But me I tell you, deep inside yo, they ain't real. See? So man and man out the youths and youth, you know, smoke, you know, do anything but look at a man. Don't take smoking from people. See? You not roll your thing yourself, don't roll it. Don't send man go buy your things. Buy your own things. See? And you have to know who you buy things from too. Because you see some people, them sell things in a people. And them know the thing going on. Them know so once they can put look at things in there, we can trip you off. It give you addiction and then we get your support more. So you have to be careful, Zine, and not everybody brain stay the same way. Some people can handle it because you have some money in the people Who even you see, them youth they burn the cracks and them get crazy and behave certain way. You have some mad, smoke it and put it in a spliff, Zine, and it good for them. You know, do them nothing, people. Zine, but maybe go inhale it and it lick your chip. No joke about it. You get crazy, you start run up and done like that, people. Zine, so you really have to really be careful out there. No joke about it. You have to be careful. Zine, have to be careful. Yo, me tell you, friends, so-called friends. Oh my bird, oh my patience, Them say the youth, good youth people. Good youth. You to go to school. You to, real youth who people know. And a youth will come from a local background where he must suffer, he must be there in the road and these people. But friend go come so boom. Friend envy him, friend grudge him for something, people. And go come so boom and give him this. And it lick him chip, people. It gone. Zane, it gone. And me I tell her, it do happen to people. So you have to be careful. I know love youth out than them. Love keep friends them. Love keep bridging. But yo, you have to be careful. Me not trust people, Me say me not trust people. No joke up. Me trust who? Friends? Not name so again for me, people. Me I tell you the truth. Not name so. Yeah, that's why I say link. Link. See? We deal with links. So say a link is a thing we can broke anytime. Just like you have a chain, people, the link can pop, it can broke anytime. That's why we say link. But you say friend now, if you look on the road, they call friends, friends should be like your brother, like your sister, like family, close. See? Because when you're a friend, people, anything we do for your brother, we do for your sister, you do it for your friend. But nowadays, people, you ain't find people that real no more. Honestly, at the truth, you not find people them real no more. People come around you, them laugh, them smile. You do this, you will give them the world, you give them everything. And the end of the result, people, is what? Them same one bring it on. Them same one grudge you. Them there the moment where you and them drink, you and them eat out of the same plate, you and them drive go this, then you go east, them go west, people. And when them go east, is a different thing they must say about you with the next person. That's it. It's reality, people. Zane, me not gonna tell us that don't trust nobody, don't keep friends or but you have to be careful. Zane, you have to be careful. You have to keep one eye open and one eye closed at the same time. Zane, a reality, people. And these are things we see in a cycle over and over and over. How people been affected by people they trust and by people they do consider and call friends. See, if your own family can't sell you out, your own brother can't sell you out, your own sister, your own auntie, your own cousin, what to be somebody who are them and even family who you call friend? Me know some people love them. Some people hug them and say, yo, you're my brother, you do something that friend. Them the thing they know them more, man. Me say them the something they know them more, people. See, friends. Friend, that's how many people on a real level. This is one thing I tell people in a life, and I always say it. I just don't let people have nothing over me. See? I don't let people have nothing over me because, you see people ain't real. Just think about it. I know what is friend, Me know me can be a good friend. See? But people out there, John, me, I know. But I guess I smoke sometimes, people. Of course, I smoke sometimes, see? But I'm not a person who get up every day and smoke. No, I go a year without even take a smoke. I go 2 years without smoking. I'm not a person who just get up and smoke like that. No, because I have control of that. I'm not a person who, I drink, you know what I mean? But I'm not an alcoholic. I have several hard alcohol and I don't drink them like that. I will drink a beer at times, beer and say, I can control myself with them, some of the people. But, you see, you have to be careful. People out there who smoke because, it's really so evil, people. Be good enough, be great, and be safe, and hope you get some lesson from the attacking boss. Now it's trouble, now it's problem. Now I have to go to work. Who's making trouble? Okay, I'm going to watch my security now, people. Peace out. I'm out. Blessings.